Why does the universe exist? What does not exist cannot give itself existence. Therefore, the existence of the universe cannot be explained as something that simply made itself. If the universe exists, it must have a cause outside itself. And if the universe is not eternal, an unavoidable question arises. How did it begin? To answer such a question completely, it is not enough to rely only on physics or chemistry. There are issues where science, philosophy, and theology meet. Each of them looks at reality from a different angle, and all three are necessary when we deal with problems as deep as the origin of everything. For a long time, people assumed that the universe had always existed. It seemed obvious. If the world is here now, perhaps it has always been here. Surprisingly, it was science itself that challenged this idea. Today we know that the universe cannot be eternal. Consider a simple question, the kind a child might ask. Dad, why does the sun shine? Long ago, someone might have answered, because it is made of something bright. But that explains nothing. It simply restates the fact. Science goes further. The sun shines because it produces energy. But then we must ask, where does that energy come from? It must come from fuel, and any fuel is limited. The sun is constantly consuming its reserves. Every ray of light we receive is energy that will never return. One day, that fuel will run out, and the sun will go dark. The same is true for all stars. Stars are not eternal lamps. They are born, they shine for a time, and eventually they die. This simple fact leads to an important conclusion. If the universe had existed forever, all stars would already have exhausted their energy. The sky would be completely dark. But it isn't. We still see light. We still see active stars. Therefore, they cannot have been shining forever. And if the stars are not eternal, the universe cannot be eternal either. Science itself, through basic reasoning, leads us to a striking conclusion. The universe must have had a beginning. And once we accept that, new questions naturally follow. How old is it? How did it start? How did it become what we see today? These questions mark the meeting point between science, which studies how matter behaves, philosophy, which searches for ultimate causes, and theology, which asks about the deepest meaning of existence.